guys, welcome to Nettie's Amazing House. Today I'll be making stewed chicken with cabbage, coming from Nettie's kitchen. Okay, these are the seasoning I'll be using. I'll just name them as I go because some are in not the original packages, because sometimes I'll buy in bulk and I'll just pour out some in my bottles. My chicken washed in vinegar and was soaking in salt water, and then washed. So now I'll add my powdered seasoning. This is some all-purpose, and remember, you season it just as how you like with your spices. These are the spices I prefer. Seasoning salt, a bit of garlic powder, pepper, a little Vegeta, onion powder. Remember guys, season your meat. I'll hold back on the salt for now because, as I said, this was soaking in salt water and vinegar. Time is on my side. Yes, it is. I'll cut up some garlic, Scotch bonnet, cut up a few pieces, and a couple slices of onions. You could always add this onion when you're adding the cabbage, but I want my chicken to cook with the onion. Bit of oyster sauce and mushroom sauce, mushroom soya sauce. Give it a stir. And guys, I did leave a couple pieces of skin on my chicken because, as you know, the skin is what really gives it that flavor and that juice. I remove most of the skin, but I still leave a couple pieces on. So now I'll set this aside to marinate while I cut up my cabbage. Ah, damn. This is a private show. Oh. Okay, time for my chicken. Oops. I'll leave this, just let it stew a little bit more and dry out a little bit more, then I'll add my cabbage. Here's my chicken, ready for my cabbage. Doesn't this look delish? It tastes good too. My butter. If you like your cabbage like this would be the perfect time to turn it off, or you could have even turned it off much sooner. But as I said, my rascals, they love their cabbage soft. I'm just about turning it off right now.